Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. We are going to make the world's smallest touch switch using cheapest touch module. This is the touch module built using TTP223B IC. I have created a detailed video on this module, and those who haven't watched this must watch that video and you will get good picture about this module. I will add the link in the description for your easy access. You will get clear picture about the A and B soldering terminals and also how to change the sensitivity of the module by adding capacitor into this module. This module will be working on 3.5 to 5 volt DC power supply. In this circuit, we are closing the B soldering point and the A soldering point will be open. In this, when we power on the module, the output will always be in off position. In this circuit, I will be powering this module using 3.7 volt 18650 lithium ion battery, and in my upcoming video, I will power this module without battery, without transformer and without SMPS, and the power supply circuit will be small enough to enclose inside a matchbox. So in order to not miss the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting the early notification on that video. Let us short circuit the B soldering point. The circuit uses a touch module, one BC547 transistor, one 330 ohm resistor, one 5 volt relay and an 1N4007 flyback diode. Let us continue assembling this. I believe that you love this video. If yes, please click like button and also share this to your friends. If you have any suggestions or doubt related to this circuit, then please comment on this video. For watching this kind of interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.